SafeSite is awesome. I use it to compile safety files, site-specific or generic, in less than half a day. My name is Nsika. I work for FTS Safety and I compile safety files. Do you want to start compiling safety files for your company? Well, SafeSite is the perfect software for you. It comes preloaded with all the important documents that your clients will want to see in a safety file. Right? It comes with policies, appointment letters, it comes with risk assessments, which you can use as they are, you can amend, you can duplicate, it's endless. It also comes with incident documents, it comes with different types of fraud protection plans, which of course you would have to make site specific. It also tracks documents such as training records and expiring documents, your medical certificates, driver's license, whatever you upload and it may expire, the system will also tell you. If you are working on a project that's similar to a previous project, then you don't have to stress about that because you can just duplicate it and it just cuts down the time in half because you already have all of the information. You may just need to change, site details, or maybe you have to change the team, but all the information is already loaded and you can just work off it from there. It also saves everything that you do at just every click. It automatically saves. It saves all of your projects, so work that you would have done even a year ago would still be on the system as long as your laptop is still functioning. You do get two versions of the software. You get the Pro version and you get the standard version. Both these programs work the same. The difference is the standard version is the one that is usually best suited for somebody that just wants to do safety files for just one company. It limits you to just having one company, and then the Pro version is for somebody who wants to do safety files for multiple different companies. So those will be like your safety officers, somebody who's just wanting to make it a business of compiling and doing safety files for their clients. I recommend SafeSite to anybody that wants to compile safety files that look professional and also that doesn't want to stress about having to create their own documents, because the program has multiple documents that come preloaded on the software.